At 3 p.m., when most working people are feeling sluggish, I'm gearing up for what I consider to be a magical experience. However, what's a magical time for me is a critical time for Miss Rodriguez, a single working mom with 3 school-aged children. It is in that moment that little Miguel focuses on playing rugby and becoming the MVP of the month. It is in that moment that little Jose forgets about his language barrier and becomes a part of the discussion during homework time. It is in that moment that 12-year-old Mia's self-confidence is boosted when her art is showcased. It is in that moment that children explore their talents and their strengths, developing who they are and who they can become. It is in that moment that I realize that there are many more magical days ahead, so I gear up for yet another great day in after school.